Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, 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 hey. Come on. Come on.
Hey, welcome back to Pieuler. So in this video we are going to look for problem number 66, which is plus 1, and it also falls in category easy. So I'm like solving all the easy problems of LeetCode. Okay, so without wasting time, let's see what the question state. This question is like there are like some terms which you could like find difficult, like item, digiti. So I'll explain you through an example. So basically, if you have like list digits where it is like elements are 1 2 3 and you have to like output 1 to 4. So in explanation, you could see the array represent integer 1 2 3, like that is 123, and basically you have to like increment it like 123 plus 1, that is 124, and this 124 you have to like append like one by one in a list and return that list. So 1 2 4. You can see like example number 2, there is like 4 3 2 1, that is 4321. So what would be our new list? That would be like the number of element having like 4322, so that would be 4322. That is our output. Okay, so there is example 3 as well. So if you have like 9, so 9 plus 1, that should be 10, so 10, but we have to like 1 by our element should be single, so that would be 1 comma 0 in our return list, so that is 1 comma 0 here. But if we have like 99, so that our answer, if you increment it by 1, our answer would be 100, that would be 1 comma 0 comma 0. So in that way, basically you have to like take out the element and then make it an integer and then add 1 and then insert it back in a list and then return that list. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to like first I have to like, as I have to return a list, I will like just name a list, like take a list like let's say num array as a list. Okay, so I'm going to append it, so that's why I'm like initializing it right now. And I'm going to also take out total, like what is the total, like you have 1 2 3 right here, so I want it as a integer, single integer, that is 123. So for that I'm going to loop around it. So first let me make it a string first, so it's string having no element, and now I will loop for I in range. I have to loop around like up to the length of the digits. So okay, digit is the like the list name, so I am using that, and I have to like include that in total, but total is the string data, so I'm like taking it out as a string. I cannot take it out as like a integer from the first go, because if you like add it like through integer, it will be like, it will not give you 123 for this example. Okay, so that's why you should use string for it. So I will like join to string, and since digits are like in integer data type, I have to change it, so I'm using str function to change it. So I will do is I will change it digits item. Okay, so I've got my total after the loop ends, so I have to change the loop. I have to change the total data type as well. So total was string data type before I initialize it. Now I'm going to change it in an integer. Okay, integer. So if I change it into integer, let me show you. I've like already done it, so let me show you what I will get. I will print total, and it will be wrong, but I want to show you what will it return. For example, let me run it. It's absolutely wrong. I'm just showing you. For example, if you see, there is 1 2 3 and our output, basically you have to return, my bad. Let me return it, and if you see, there should be 123. If you see here, it is output is our 123. So we have saved it, but we have not added incremented, like we have not added plus 1 in it. We have to increment it by 1. So let me change that. So let me convert it. Okay, So we have converted in total. Okay, so we have converted it. Now what I will do is you have to increment it, right, by 1. So I will just increment it. Total is equals to total plus 1. Now I have to like make this one like I have 124 right now, so 124, but I have to like return it as 1, 2, 4 in a list. So for that I will use another loop for j in let's see, for j in total. Okay, I have to change it in back in a string as well, guys, because I have to like for it to like iterate through it. I have to change it back into string, so I'm changing it back into the string. Okay, so for j in total I could do, and then I have to like increment it by 1 by 1. So what I could do is num array, the same array that I initialized before, so I am going to use that, and then I am going to append by j. J is basically the terms which 1, 2, 4, or like the incremented one which will be incremented, and then it would be like appended in a new list which is num array, which I'm going to return. So after I complete that I will return it. So I'm going to return num array. Okay, let me run it out. I think it is the most optimized code. Okay, I have done some mistake here. Let me see. Okay, okay, I have to change it back into the integer. Right now it is in string. If you see, there is 1, 2, 4, but it is in string. I have to change it into integer. So let's change it into integer by using int function. Now I think it will work. Okay, I think it is the most optimized code. Okay, accepted. Let's submit it, and you will see this is the most optimized code, and most of the people have done it like through like integer, but I have changed it into string and solved it. If you see, there is like the 93.66% of solution. Okay, so if you like the code and if you like find my explanation helpful, so please like the video, comment and subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for the more LeetCode related content. So bye guys, see you soon.